Hello, everybody, and welcome to Troy. Welcome to 5th grade. My name is Mr. Lowe, and we are Team Supernova, also known as Team 212. I teach math.
I am Mrs. Hannah, and I teach science.
I'm Miss McGurvey, and I teach social studies.
I'm Mrs. Koziars, and I teach language arts. We are so happy to be back in school and the kids back in the classroom.
One resource that we would like you to be aware of is Google Classroom. We will be using that a lot this year to post daily assignments. We would suggest getting your child's username and password information for Google Classroom. That way you can check when you'd like to see what we're doing in each class. This is where kids will go if they're absent to find out what they missed for that day and complete that work at home. There's also a 212 Google Classroom page that the students have, and that has team information and helpful information for parents.
It's going to be a great year.
If you have any questions or concerns, email is the easiest and fastest way to get a hold of us. All of our emails are on our school website. We are so looking forward to having a great school year with your kids.
And you can expect an email early next week, and we will include the links to our website and all of our emails in that also.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.